Bertrand Drive Animal Hospital. We just wanted to thank all of our friends and customers by having a contest drawing for some goodies. We wanted to thank Dr Fontenot. This is her 1-year anniversary, and this is her way of thanking all of our customers. So we have some goodies to give away. So let's see who we pull. All right, for the dog basket, it is Raskiz, R-A-S-C-I-Z. Yay! Congratulations! Woohoo! All right, for the cat drawing, let's see who we have. We have Barb Champagne. Woo! Congratulations! Woo! All right, again, we just want to say thank you. We will be having more drawings in the future, so please like us on our Facebook page and follow us on our Google Plus page. Thanks, everyone.